Well, today is January 7th, 2010. It's 9 degrees here in northern Utah, Logan, Utah. And what we're going to demonstrate today is these two barricades are frozen on the bottom half. As you can see, it's solid ice. Up here, from here on, there's no water in them, and it's 9 degrees. Let's see how this low density polyethylene holds up to the impact. Looks like it held up pretty well. No cracks or anything. I'll get a little closer shot of that. As you can see, that did no damage at all. Hopefully that resolves any concerns on impact in the freezing temperatures.